In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce compression artifacts in OpenArt images. If you've ever noticed blocky edges, blurry textures, or banding after saving or sharing an image, those are compression artifacts. OpenArt's upscale tools can clean them up while sharpening details, so let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open OpenArt and head to the home page. On the left panel, look for the Image section and click it. This takes you into the workspace where all the image tools live, so you're in the right place to fix those artifacts. Next, choose Image Upscale. Upscaling is more than just making an image bigger here. It also includes smart enhancement that can reduce the visible damage from heavy compression. Now, bring in your image. You can drag it straight into the window or click to upload from your device. For best results, use the highest quality version you have, ideally the original file. Resaved or repeatedly compressed images tend to accumulate artifacts, so starting with the cleanest copy helps the tool preserve real detail. Once your image is loaded, select Refined Upscale. This mode is designed to smooth blockiness and ringing while keeping edges crisp. Think of it as targeted cleanup that tries to separate true detail from compression noise. Before you run it, adjust the enhancement level between subtle and creative. Subtle is great when artifacts are light and you want to maintain natural texture. Skin pores, fabric weave, and fine lines stay truer. Creative applies stronger cleanup and can be helpful if the image is heavily compressed or you need bolder smoothing. If you're working with text, logos, or faces, start with subtle to avoid over-smoothing, then nudge toward creative only if you still see artifacts. A quick preview at 100% zoom will help you judge the balance. When you're ready, click Upscale to process the image. OpenArt will analyze edges, gradients, and textures to reduce noise and bring back clarity. This may take a moment depending on your image size and settings. When the result appears, compare it to the original. Zoom in on edges, hair, skin, and soft gradients like skies to check for banding or halos. If it looks too plastic or not clean enough, simply go back, tweak the enhancement level, and run it again until you're happy. Once you're satisfied, save the result. For web use, consider a high-quality JPeg. For the cleanest preservation, use PNG. That's it. Your image should now look cleaner, sharper, and far less compressed, all with just a few thoughtful adjustments in OpenArt.